my back. My back's super big. Once I get done feeding my back, I got you. It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video. Got a car show that actually magically came down here to my little small city. If this is your first time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. So look, y'all check this out. This is the first car they call my section. There are a lot of good cars. We got a Lord. Wait, what is it? Is it a Mercury? Mercury. Like that. And it's raining today. How they? I don't know about this. If it starts pouring down rain, what are you supposed to do? Well, that's cute. That guy right there. Okay, go ahead. This car right here. Don't even think about touching my Chevy El Camino. I see the sign. Alright, now check me out. Nah, for real, my boy has one of the cleanest old schools that he don't ever drive down here. That's cute too. Oh, I thought they were fixing some real shit, man. I got to talk, man. Excuse me, sir. What did it do? What? What did it do? Motor. I drive it. You drive it. So I lied. He does drive it. Yeah, I drive. I thought you stayed. I thought you had it in the store. No, that ain't this. But it's for daily. He can be. I don't drive it every single day, but I drive it a lot. Daily, old school. Yeah. AC no free. It's factory AC, it ain't you see how dirty it is? Yeah, I see that. My bad. My bad. I thought it was garage kept. It is daily driven. Or at least every other day. So we got pops and we got bigger pops. They go head truck. No, I'm corrected. This is garage kept.
Yeah, you see the difference, right?
So you leave his engine bay right here. A little dirty. You know, hey, daily driven dirtiness. Now I can leak the show floor right here with this garage kept truck. What motor is this? What motor in here?
That's a 400 small block.
Yeah, I'm scared of that.
I'm scared too.
Look good though. How often you driving? That's it? We borrow one day. You can borrow my car. He ain't drove. All right, I see me add that. I know I see you thought about that. I'm at the bottom of the list. I'm down here, man. I drive on faith and pray to God. And follow the white road, bro. The white lines of the road. I can't see shit. I'm looking around. I can't see shit in that motherfucker in the daytime. I know nighttime is over, boy. Bro, sometimes I'm like, man, why do y'all keep stopping for my 10? Then sometimes I look, I be like, damn. You got that damn advance. You got that damn, yeah, and I can crack my windows, and my sunroof back, and then cut my ambient light shit like white. You can see inside that bitch. Damn. Yeah, it's dark though. Y'all need to see inside. It's dirty, bro. So y'all can penalize it. Nah, it's not dirty. And there you go. You gotta imagine it. Backside, you gotta open that door and go down. I got LEDs. Hey, boss, it's your car. Over here. It's your car? Yeah.
Man, your work tips for me is good, man.
I don't even appreciate that, bro. Calm down with 500, bro. You know, calm down, bro. You got it. You win, bro.
It sounds better than that when it goes by.
You're probably right.
See, they got it. They got it. Y'all see this truck? You smacky swing. I can't do it. They got it.
All I ever wanted was a black Grand National. Fuck being rational, give them what they asked for. It's not enough.
Hey, look, man, so I just found some new shit that I've never seen ever before in my life.
I'm thinking this is an old rocket launcher, bro. This is not a rocket launcher. This is air conditioning back in the right. The air goes through this big doohickey. Fine too. He got some bags on it, so I'm talking about. You carrying this guy. Let me not sound Paul. His front end was bouncing up and down when he came in here. Thinking the whole time's a rocket launcher on the side of the car, bro. It's air conditioning. That's wild, bro. Damn. Not enough.
Oh yeah. Tell me start it over. I get on their ass. Man, why they didn't play that song when I was staring in front of the car?
Airbags on? Airbags on? Alright. I got it. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, so you know, bags, we gotta wait. You know, his knees gotta warm up. He's stretching right now, the car, you know. You gotta warm it up, so. But he's doing his real, his stretching, you know, getting his knees ready.
That boy done warmed up them knees. What the hell? Oh shit! I like it. Oh shit! Look at your face. Damn, what the hell? Nigga scared me with that one, boy. Oh my god. What kind? Is that a motorcycle motor in there? Oh no, hell no. Bro, this sounds like a motorcycle motor, bro.
He can't do it, bitch. Slime.
And a motorcycle motor? What motorcycle motor is it?
Man, it's got out with. Line it up, man.
No, I'm good.
It's the second project, man. We got another one. We got one with Doom going on.
Y'all living life to the end, bro.
Shit, gotta do that.
I don't, man. I ain't got no, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. We have a red wide with a 750 motorcycle.
I ain't going back.
About need some drag sleeves on this bitch. Yeah, that's wild. I hate I'm scared of that. I don't dare hop on that bitch. Alright, so good. Take the hit. Alright, so I hope y'all guys will get a good top smoothie, man. A lot of good, decent cars out here, bro. Maybe something small, something light, but it's always good to walk away home with a choke. Make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe out here. What's up?
Alright, it ain't gonna work.
Hey, Quayla. Quayla. Come take a picture for the YouTube. What do you think I post it up?
I'll probably get footage for him later on today. And then after that,
said y'all have a good one.
Hit that bitch.
Just do some of it.
If she ain't like that, I don't want her.